Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix TikTok video under review problem. Sometimes when you upload a video on TikTok, it may get stuck under review. This can happen if TikTok is checking your content for community guidelines, or if there is a technical issue. If your video is under review for a long time, you can report the problem to TikTok to get help. Here's how to do it on your mobile device. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device, and make sure you are logged in. Then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Now tap on the three lines from the top right corner to open the menu. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account, privacy, and report issues. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. This will allow you to submit a request to TikTok about your video. Here, tap on Creation, which is the section related to posting and creating content. Then tap on Posting Videos. This focuses your report on issues related to video uploads. Now tap on Other to describe a problem that doesn't match the listed options. Next, tap on Need More Help. This will let you provide a detailed explanation of your issue. Here, carefully type your message explaining the problem. You can write something like, "Hello TikTok team. My video is stuck under review for a long time. I believe it does not violate any guidelines. Please help me resolve this issue so my video can be posted. Thank you." After typing your message, tap Submit. TikTok will review your report and respond, usually within a few days. Be patient while they check your video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.